there, welcome back to my vlog. Today, I'm going to take you on an adventure to one of Vietnam's 7 natural wonders. I'm so excited to show you around this gorgeous and iconic destination. So let's begin. Halong Bay is an incredible place with thousands of limestone rocks and emerald waters. It is world-renowned for its breathtaking scenery, and you will get a chance to see for yourself as I take you around. Taking a cruise is the best way to explore Halong Bay. It's one of the most popular things to do, and is certainly an experience you won't want to miss. You can choose where you want to go, from the most well-known to smaller islands. This place is absolutely stunning and is a must-see for everyone who ever dreamed of experiencing a tropical paradise. We will pass by lots of different islands, and there are plenty of opportunities to take pictures. Take in the mesmerizing beauty of the boats, from the crystal clear waters to the imposing islet. Here at Halong Bay, you can get up close and personal with the sights and sounds of the bay. From the boats and fishing village to the vibrant green landscape, there's so much to explore. As we sail around, you can also get a glimpse of some of the islands. Each one is unique with its own special features. Some are even home to grottos and caves that you can explore. The island originated in 1962 when Soviet cosmonaut German Tito toured Halong Bay with President Ho Chi Minh. The Vietnamese felt incredible honor by the visit, as Tito just became the second human to orbit the Earth the previous year. Because Tito was so captivated with the beauty of Halong Bay, President Ho Chi Minh decided to rename island number 48 to Tito. Hiking here is very tiring, as you need to climb 400 steps to reach the top, but it's worth the effort. Now let's hop on a boat and get a closer look at this amazing destination. The view here was absolutely breathtaking. We could see the thousands of limestone islands scattered across the horizon. We also spotted some of the exotic wildlife that make their home here, like monkeys and eagles. You can also try different activities here like kayaking, so you can see the beauty of the island with your own steering. Next, we will pull out to one of the largest caves and explore its depths. This is also a very tiring hike, but in exchange, you will see amazing rock formation and learn about the history of the area.
What 撚屎啊！撚屎啊！现在哈。
要给我们1000才能拿这场，对吧
？1000的。
This breathtaking cave is one of the most popular and beautiful caves in Halong Bay. The front chamber of the cave is much bigger than the rest, reaching out to 30 meters in height and 40 meters of length. Inside, you will find vast chamber and limestone structures, making this cave amazing for sightseeing and exploration. It's from here that you can view all the amazement of the cave and its mesmerizing features. I highly recommend everyone to visit this beautiful and unique cave. Trust me, you won't regret it. There's also a variety of foods and souvenirs that you can buy here. From hidden beaches and caves to ancient fishing village and towering limestone rocks, there's something for everyone here. We even also got the chance to take a cooking class in a traditional samples of delicious local cuisine. There's also a pool where you can enjoy and relax when you have free time. Halong Bay truly is one of the most beautiful nature wonders of the world. With over 3,000 limestone islands rising out of the emerald water. From the rusty fishing village to the hidden cave, the beauty of this place was simply breathtaking. It's been an amazing experience, and hopefully you have been inspired to come and explore. Thanks again for joining us on these adventures. Until next time, goodbye. This is Adventurous Papa. See you on the next video.